Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create a Navratri look in which I'm gonna be doing a smoky eye with nude lips. So if you want to know how I do this, please keep watching the full video. But before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for future updates. So without any further ado, let's begin. I wish you all a very happy Navratri whoever is celebrating this year. As usual, I'll be starting with my skin prep routine, which is a very important step of makeup. Either it's winter or summers or any season. I'm starting with vitamin C face serum from Lotus Botanicals, and I'm adding a few drops to my skin and massaging it well using my fingers. Whenever you are doing your skincare, you need to relax and enjoy. Massage the product for a while and let that absorb into your skin. Next, I'm applying vitamin C skin brightening matte fluid sunscreen, again from Lotus Botanicals. I love this sunscreen because it does not have that white cast which we get in every sunscreens. So I'm applying it to all over my face and neck. In summer, sunscreen is a very important part of makeup because we need to protect our skin from sun damage every time. After the sunscreen, I am using moisturizer plus primer from Bobbi Brown, and again I am applying it to all over my face and neck and giving a good massage with it. So once I'm done with my skincare, I'll be starting with my eyes, for which I'm applying cello tape to corner of my eyes. You can use any tape that you have, and you have to place the cello tape from where your lower lash line begins. The palette that I'm using is Nude eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. Now with the help of a small angled brush, I'm placing the black eyeshadow to my eyes very close to my lash line. Then taking the grey eyeshadow from the palette and applying it to rest of the lid and blending using a small blending brush. The eye brushes that I am using is from Miniso. Whenever you are blending or applying more color, you need to make sure that you don't go beyond your crease. Keep adding the colors and keep blending until you are happy with the intensity and you get the desired result. Now I am taking the silver shade from the palette and I am applying it to my brow bone and to the inner corner. To give it more glam look, I am using silver glitter and placing it to center of my eyelids. Following the same steps for my other eye as well. Moving on to my brows, I am using black eyeshadow from the palette and filling my eyebrows using small angled brush. I am only filling the sparse area so that my brows can look as natural as possible. At the same time, I am giving some shape to my brows. Once I'm done with my eyes, I'll remove the cello tape that I had placed. For my face, I'm using full coverage foundation from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey, and I'm applying it using a beauty sponge. While applying the foundation, don't forget to apply it to your neck so that your face and neck looks as a one piece. Moving on to the concealer, I'm using full coverage concealer from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey, and I'm applying it to the areas wherever I have patches or uneven skin tone or I want to highlight. Then I'm blending it using same beauty sponge that I have used for my foundation. I'm blending my concealer just by dabbing in. I'm not dragging it from its place. Instantly, I am applying the loose powder to the areas wherever I have applied the concealer so that the concealer does not crease. One that I am using is HD Matte Loose Powder from Insight Cosmetics, and I am in shade Ivory. Moving on to the contour, today I am only applying the bronzer to my face. I am not contouring it. And for it I am using the brown shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I am placing it to my cheekbones, forehead, cupid bone and my nose. And to apply it I am using an angled contour brush. Now it's time to apply the blush. The one that I'm using is from Colorbar in shade Flushed Satin, and I'm applying it to my cheekbones. Now to complete the look, I am placing the grey eyeshadow to my lower lash line as well using a flat brush. Moving on to the highlighter, I am using Metallic Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in shade Molten Gold, and I am applying it to my high points. Now the lipstick that I am using is matte liquid lipstick from Lakme 9 to 5 in shade Nude Cashene. Now curling my eyelashes and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I am using is Zoom and Woosh mascara from Colorbar, and I am applying it to both upper and lower lashes. Now to complete this Navratri look, I am adding some jewelry, black bindi and the 3 dots to my chin. This is the final look that I have created so far. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section about this look. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.